Hello everyone, I'm Vanita Kafaria and I'm welcoming you in my channel e-learning. So kids, as you all know, we have done A vowel, E vowel and now it's time to do I vowel sounds. Okay, so what is the sound of I? I sound is I says E. I says E. So let's start the sound of I. Okay, so first we will read this one. I-N. And how we will read in phonetic? E-N. N. I-P. Ip. It. It. Ig. Ig. Okay. So now once again repeat it after me. I. N. In. Ip. Ip. It. It. Ig. Ig. Okay. So now from in the word we will make CVC words. How? See here where it is p, in, pin. We know that it is in. Okay. B, in, bin. T, in, tin. F, in, fin. Once again. P, in, pin. B, in, bin. T, in, tin. F, in, fin. Okay, now next one. Ip, ip, d, ip, dip, l, ip, lip, d, ip, dip, s, ip, sip. Now again repeat it. D, ip, dip, l, ip, lip, d, ip, dip, s, ip, sip. Now next one is IT, or we can say in phonetic sound it. How we will pronounce it? IT. How we will pronounce IT? It. B, it, bit. L, it, lit. S, it, sit. P, it, bit. Now again. B, it, bit. L, it, lit. S, it, sit. P, it, bit. Now next one is IG. 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 How we will pronounce it? Ig. So b, ig, big. D, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. And w, ig, wig. B, ig, big. D, ig, dig. F, ig, fig. And w, ig, wig. Now we will do some exercise. Match correctly. What is this? This is pin. What is this? This is pin. So now what we will do, see which one is written pin. So what we have to do is we have to read it. How you will read it? Let's start. First we will read this one. This is T and this is in. T, in, tin. So is it tin? No. P, in, pin. Yes, this is pin. So we will match it with it. Okay, fine. Now next one is C. Next we have S, it, sit. S, it, sit. And P, it, pit. Is this pit? No. The boy is sitting. It is sit. So we will match it with it. Now next one is C. This one. Ip, ip, sip. And this ip, lip. Is this lip? No, na. The boy is sipping this with the help of straw. So sip is correct. So we will match it with it. Now next one is b, in, bin. And the another one is f, in, fin. Which one is correct? Is this bin or fin? Yes, this is bin. So we will match it with it. Okay, now next one is, listen it carefully. What I am saying, this d, ip, dip. D, ip, dip. So which one is correct for this picture? The boy is dipping the cloth. So this is dip, dip, d, ip, dip. So we will match it. Now this one, see what is written here? V, ig, wig, or f, ig, fig. wa ig wig and for ig fig. What is this? Is this a wig? No, this is a fig. So we will match it with it. Okay kids, I hope you have understood all the sound of I, or we can say E. Sound of I is E. If you have any doubt, you can comment me, or if you want any topic lesson, I will make it that as well. So do take care of yourself and happy learning. Bye bye.